What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go with Solana, currently sitting at 172. We're down 3.2 on the day. See market cap 76.8 billion, 24-hour volume 8.62 billion. So if we hop into the charts, we can bounce up from here. We have a little bit of a bottoming tail. If we do, then your wave 5 target is in between 215 and 227. We can create a lower low first and come down to the next fib level, which would be the 50% at about 157 before the bounce. But there is a decent chance we could push up from here in the wave 5, complete the larger wave 3, see a wave 4 pullback, and then continuation back to the upside. As you can see on the weekly chart, we're overextended, just coming back down to retest support. Very normal. We're overbought in the RSI, on the money flow index, as well as on the daily chart. We were overbought, so now we're coming back down to the 20 EMA, retest support before continuation, in my opinion. That's what I'm looking at for Solana. Here's our last week results from our signals. We had 28 wins, 12 losses, total profit 1,115. We have over almost 3,000 members in the Discord now. Let me take a look here. Yeah, 2,822 members in the Discord. My signals are completely for free. You get my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, 50x sniper trades, 4x signals. I'm giving 4x trade signals every single day as well. All you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX or MEXC, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world. For BITUNIX, including North America, 10% back on your fees. Once you make your first deposit to either exchange, sign up through the links top of the comments, send me an email, and I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include all of these goodies here. You really can't beat it, guys. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.